Okay, Zanna. So, what is Chef Zanna making today?
Okra soup.
Yeah, okra soup. And what are you doing?
I'm cutting the okra.
Okay. Yeah. So the ugu is a vegetable
Yeah.
for the okra. Okay. And then after that, do you know what next?
Okra.
Okay, good. Cut the okra.
And I'm going to be cutting the okra.
Yes, you're going to be cutting the okra. Well done. So the meat is cooking and we're getting this ones prepared. Okay, well done. Say hello.
Hi.
Okay, so I am trying to cut the okra, but I can't cut it properly. I tried and tried, but I couldn't do it. I even tried pushing the knife, but it still won't work. So I tried another one, but I don't think it worked out. I also tried pushing the knife again, but it still didn't work and I couldn't do it properly. So my mummy used the grinder and it was all finished. And I got to put some water in the okra to make it slimy. I only put a little bit because after a while I wanted to put all of it into that to make it extra slimy. I thought it was very fun putting the water in. I loved it and I was stirring it and stirring it and stirring it. It was very fun and I was excited, but I did not eat that though. I was very excited when my mummy said that it's time to put the water into the okra, and I clapped and jumped around the kitchen. And here is the okra. It doesn't even look like okra anymore. It's so slimy, and I even tried to play with it that my mum told me to stop, but I couldn't stop. I was playing with it and playing with it, but then I had a little stretch. So we blended some things and we have some fish. I was really excited when she said we're going to put more stuff into the pot. The meat has cooked there, and it's still cooking though. I was dancing because I was very excited. I looked at the pot again, and I was standing on the stool because I wasn't tall enough to actually look at the pot. If I didn't have the stool, my mummy would have to carry me up there. The meat was cooking, and I loved to look at it. I couldn't even stop looking at it. All I could do was just look at it. So I decided to put the blender stuff in. So I opened the blender and put all of the blended stuff in because I was too excited to even stop a little bit. I stirred it and stirred it and stirred it for a very long time, but not really that long. But then I had to grab the fish and put it in the pot. I didn't really want to do that, but as a chef, I had to. It was very, very slimy, and I don't think I even liked it. Now I put some palm oil, and I decided to smell it, because I really love smelling stuff. Even if it's not necessary, I still love to. So I put some palm oil in, and I wanted to stir, but I wanted to wait a little while before I did. I then stirred, and this is how it looks like. It looks very yummy and delicious. Even though it's not even in a pot, it looks very delicious. Now that's some Aussiesa. I'm only going to put a little bit you don't want to pour the whole thing in there, because what if you need to make another one? And now it's time to put all the okra that I stirred in the water to go down into the pot. I'm actually dropping it in circles because my mum told me to. It was actually fun though, and satisfying putting it in. I decided to stir and stir and stir for a while. It looked so satisfying. Then I got the ugu and put it in the pot. Just like what I did with the okra, but I didn't put it in circles. So I put the bowl back, and I decided to stir it some more. I love stirring stuff, especially if it's okra soup. The fish was still cooking, but I really wanted to taste it, even if it hadn't finished. I really wanted to taste it. It looked so yummy, and I really wanted it to just be put in a bowl already and just have all of it. I even thought I could eat the whole pot. I really loved this okra soup that I made. I stirred it and even tried to play with it. I even tried to eat it, but I couldn't. I then tasted it, and yes, it was yummy. I decided to do a victory dance. Now, this is the okra soup. It looks so delicious. Look at the meat and the okra and the soup. It's just too yummy. No one can resist this, not even me. It looked so yummy that I just wanted to scoop it out with my spoon and eat the whole plate. And I actually did. My mum let me have some, and here I am eating the meat and munching it. And it was very yummy. And thanks for watching. Bye.